Hello everyone, so this is about Hyundai i40 and this got a 2.4 model. So it comes with a special option of factory premium sound system from the Hyundai. We already worked on the CAN bus control wiring and thing, but couldn't get it done. Previously the owner already had someone feel of the system and no sound, so end up we felt that definitely the car get the amplifier at the bottom here, which already been removed, and currently the owner is happy to stay on a good budget that we actually are bypassing the factory amplifier, and you can see that a bunch of new speaker wiring line over here which already connect. We will test and found where is the speaker location from the wiring underneath the passenger location, and here you definitely can see it. Okay, there's two big cable over here, one wide and the other wide too. So the second one is the one that contain all of the speaker from the front door, rear door, and also on this big one there's the subwoofer lines. So we are connecting the new head unit directly to those cable for the speakers, and we'll test on the subwoofer as well. So how to run it? Simply connect the wire running from here, running from this down to the section in here. You open the section here and run it down here, and then run it along the side of the car over here, and you will get out of this location and run from here into the bottom of the passenger seat. That talk quick, but it takes a few hours to do it right, at least few hours of concentrated work. So stay tuned and we'll see you on the next one for the review. Thank you, see you then.